Hello everyone, my name is Anthony Raviselli and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a drawing in Onshape, set up a template, show how to scale, and export from Onshape as a PDF and open in VCarve. So first you want to make sure that your object is extruded. Then you want to click on your Part Studio and click on Create Drawing. So just like this, click and hit Create Drawing. And then So when your template comes up, what you want to do is keep it on no views, hit custom template, make sure your size is D, you're in inches, and go over to border, hit not include, do not include, and also go over to title block and hit do not include again. Then hit OK. What I do now is go over here to insert view, click on that, hit insert, right here Part Studio 1, click on that because that should be yours. You can also see if you click this or this, it can change the Part Studio that you want to use and your existing view. But we don't need to do that. So we're going to go here and click off of this and go to, and you want to do a two-finger click on that and hit View Properties. Now you want to change it to 1.1, but if it's still too big, you can always just change it down farther. Now make sure you're on scale labeled and check. So as you can see, if you're on 1.1 and it's still too big, you can just click on the scale and use this and just slide down. Click whatever you want and make it small enough. Thank you. If everything's good, you want to go over, click on it, hit export. Make sure it's a PDF. You're exporting. You can name it whatever you want. So I'm gonna name mine AJ Raviselli. Then you want to make sure you're in a PDF and you have it as a download. Then you click export. Then you can just drag this over to downloads, put it in there, then you can just slide over a three-finger swipe, click open existing file, go down here, you can click downloads, it's right there, just slide it in and click on it, and just wait a second. And it should open soon. And there we go. Alright, thanks for watching.